The moving arrow animation looks really cool in videos. It can improve your video retention and help your audience understand the points you're making in the video. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to add and animate a moving arrow in videos using CapCut PC. Let's not waste time and jump right in. My CapCut is open, and you can see that I have already added a like, comment, and subscribe image on the timeline. There are two ways to add arrows in CapCut. The first is the newly added Shapes feature in CapCut. Open the Stickers tab in the upper left menu. Here on the left side, you can see the Shape button. Click it. You will find the Arrow button. You can click it or drag it to the timeline to add it. With the arrow selected, you have options to control it on the upper right side. Here, you can scale it, change its color, and also change the style from straight to dashed to dotted. You can change the cap at the start and end of the arrow. The weight of the arrow can also be changed. We can also add a shadow to the arrow and adjust its settings. You can also rotate and adjust the scale of the arrow in the viewer. An arrow created with Shapes is static, which means it has no animation, but we can add animation to it. Let me first adjust it and move it over to the like icon. Now go to the Animation tab. Let's create a loop animation. We have a few options here like flash, flip, pulse, and more. I'll go with pulse. It is much better than static, but still not exactly what I wanted. So I'll use another way to add an arrow. First, hide this arrow from view and go back to the Stickers tab. This time, instead of Shapes, click Stickers. Search for the red arrow and pick the arrow you like. Almost every arrow here is already animated. I picked this 3D one, drag it to the timeline, adjust its length according to the image length. You can also transform it like scaling, rotating, and more. Let's scale it and rotate it over the like icon. To move and animate the arrow, we will add keyframes to it. Move the playhead to where you want the movement to start. To add a keyframe, hit the diamond button next to transform. Move the playhead a little forward and add another keyframe. These two frames will hold the arrow in this position for a few seconds. I call them holding frames. Now, let's move the playhead to the place where you want the arrow to be over the comment icon. Move and rotate the arrow over the comment icon. This will automatically create a new keyframe. Let's see how it looks. Perfect. Let's create a second holding keyframe. Lastly, for the bell icon, move the playhead and move and rotate the arrow to create a keyframe. I am not creating a second holding frame for now. Let's check how it looks. You can change the speed of the animation and the holding time by dragging the keyframes. To make the animation even smoother, you can ease out or ease in the keyframes by right-clicking them. I'm not doing that now since the animation looks good to me. Let's see it in full view. Perfect. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Also, comment. What problem do you want me to solve in the next video? Take care and bye.